In this handcrafted jewelry journey, my inspiration comes from nature's simplest yet most profound beauty, a single leaf. It carries the gentle touch of time and symbolizes the continuation of life. And this ring is my interpretation of that symbolism. The design of this ring began with my contemplation of nature, especially my focus on the form of leaves. The subtle curves along a leaf's edges, the delicate veins, every change contains nature's wisdom. I decided to transform these vivid natural elements into the inspiration for a jewelry piece. I chose 1/8K yellow gold as the material for the ring setting, because it perfectly combines the vitality of leaves with the solidity of metal. The warm tone and delicate surface of 1/8K gold make each golden leaf appear as if touched by morning dew, full of life. To bring the ring setting closer to nature, I carved intricate textures on each golden leaf, mimicking the distribution and undulation of real leaf veins. Every vein had to be as refined as possible, preserving both the natural flow and allowing the metal's luster and details to present an ideal harmony. The next part is the heart of the entire design, that piece of green jadeite. The jade's green color is deep and pure, just like nature's vitality and strength. The jade's texture and color perfectly complement the golden leaves' lightness and resilience. To select the right jade, I carefully chose this full-bodied piece with uniform color. Its green seems to transmit nature's spiritual energy from within the stone. The jade's luster also reminds me of a forest after rain, moist, fresh, and mysterious dot throughout the design process. I chose the lost wax casting technique, one of the most traditional and precise methods in jewelry making. First, I created a wax model based on the design sketch, with every detail of the wax model carved strictly according to the prototype. Each leaf vein required repeated carving to ensure they looked both naturally flowing and artistically refined. Through this process, I could ensure that every layer of texture on the golden leaves was delicately detailed, as if a leaf from nature were slowly unfolding on its life journey. When the wax model was completed, I placed it into the casting mold for lost wax casting. This process involves heating and melting the wax model, ultimately forming the basic shape of the ring setting in the metal mold. Lost wax casting can precisely render even the smallest details in the mold, so I could see textures and patterns similar to nature on the golden leaves. Every step of this craft is full of challenges, but it's precisely this challenge that allows me to truly create a unique piece of jewelry. The jadeite is set in the center of the golden leaves, its smooth surface complementing the delicate textures of the leaf veins. They enhance each other like a freshly fallen leaf resting quietly in nature's embrace. The jade's green color, surrounded by gold, appears even more vibrant and profound every change in light makes this ring radiate a mysterious brilliance. When this ring was finally completed, I couldn't help but pause and gaze at it quietly. It's not just an accessory, it's more like a precious memory extracted from nature. The golden leaves surrounding the jade are like a leaf in nature embracing a heart, symbolizing the propagation and protection of life, and the silent companionship through the passage of time. The significance of this ring goes far beyond its appearance. It's the embodiment of a leaf carrying nature's breath, life's strength, and eternal tranquility. Whenever the wearer looks at this jade, they'll feel nature's breathing and that deep connection from earth to sky. Ultimately, this ring is not merely jewelry, it carries a profound story, telling of the understanding and resonance between nature and humanity. Whenever it's worn, one will feel that warmth from nature, eternal and unchanging.